Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect AliExpress to Big Cartel in 2023. So before we start, there's no direct integration or official app to connect AliExpress to Big Cartel. However, you can manually add AliExpress products to your Big Cartel store by following a few steps. So please note that this integration method or available tool might have changed after my last updates. It's a good idea to check the latest resources and information provided by Big Cartel. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll have to go and browse to AliExpress for products you want to sell on your Big Cartel store. Make sure to select product that aligns with your niche and target audience. So to do so, of course, you'll just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser. And of course, in your case, you can use any other browser that you could possibly use. Once you open that browser, of course, make sure to go to the URL section. Simply type AliExpress.com and hit the enter button. Once you do so, you'll be taken to the home screen or main screen of the website. Of course, you can click on account at the top right corner, click on sign in to sign in into your account if you have an account. If you don't have an account, click on register to create an account for yourself. So whatever you choose, simply do so. You can even continue with Facebook, Google, Twitter, or Apple if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account, which I'm going to do here. I'm just going to continue with my Google account. So I will I'll simply log in into my account without any problems, fast. So as we said, browse AliExpress for products you want to sell on your Big Cartel store. Because as an example, so if you're in this video, you probably want to use like AliExpress as a dropshipping provider for your products on Big Cartel. So before, let's just open a new tab, go to bigcartel.com and hit the enter button. This will take you, of course, to the home screen and my screen of Big Cartel. Go and log in into your account if you have an account at the top right corner. If you have an account, of course, log in. But if you don't, click on sign up to create an account for yourself. Of course, here, if you scroll down, you'll see the price. As an example, those are the price with the features. You can pause the video and see them all if you want to. And of course, for me, I'm just going to log in into my account to access my dashboard. Of course, once you log in into your account or you just create your account, make sure to finish this getting started checklist because this will set up your account for whatever you want to do, selling products, connecting AliExpress, or whatever you want to do. So once you're here, of course, you can go to products as an example and click on add products. But if you can, as an example, get the list of your products on a CSV file or from AliExpress, that will be very useful for you because it will prevent you from doing a lot of boring steps. So if you can get or someone can provide you with the CSV file of the product list of that you want, you can simply go to Big Cartel, click on these three dots, click on import products, click on get started then, and simply from here you'll be able to add a CSV file of your products, choose it from your PC, and all your products will be imported here in your products right here without any problem. So now, as we said, what we'll need to do, go to AliExpress, select or check for the product that you want to sell, or as we said, you probably want to use AliExpress as dropshipping supplier for your store in Big Cartel. So what you'll need to do, go to the product that you want, maybe a promotion is products example, go and click on this product. Let's just go and check this product example, go to this one, and simply you'll have to get the item or the picture of the item, the name of it as an example, the description, anything, any information about this product, you will have to go and get it, see if it's provide like some free shipping, which will very be good for you. Then simply go and add everything by clicking on add the products here, go and add the image or that you get from here, add the name, add the description of it, the category of it, status, the price of it, of course that you want, not that you find here because you will make no profits if you want to. And you can add some variants if you want. If there's some variants here, as you can see we have 3. And shipping, if there's like for here it's shipping free. So as you can see, the US tax category, you will have to go and ask a tax professional in this products qualified for the US tax rate, and you will be after that good to go. So make sure to go and select the products that has promotion so you can make some profits. So basically you'll have to gather the products information, as we said, product name, description, image, price, variation, shipping details, any other relevant information, then create a product listing on Big Cartel, as we said. And in the product description and details section on each product listing, include like a link back to the corresponding products page on AliExpress, and this will allow your customer to directly purchase your products. For example, if you have your products on AliExpress, if you want to, this is a possible way. For example, if you have you listen your products on AliExpress, you can add this link on your big cartel. So when you click on it, they will be right away provided or getting into your AliExpress, so they can directly like purchase the products from here if they want to. And of course, make sure to set up like the shipping price and details and for your big cartel product listing based on the information you gather from AliExpress. Make sure like to account any shipping costs, taxes, and fees. And once you've like created the product listing on big cartel, added necessary information, save everything. Once you save it, of course, it will be added to your products. Once it's added to your products right here, once it's added right here, if you go to account now and go to click on design, you'll find it right away on your product. You don't have to add this manually again on your website here, so it will be added right away without any problem. Of course, you can even make like as an example, let's just wait and open like a new tab, go to big cartel, log into your account, go to products again. You can even make like some like the order. You can change the order of that. For example, let's just make the PayPal last, Discord first, and here's an example. If we go and reload, as you can see, you will see the difference even making here, so you can go and do whatever you want here. And after that, make sure to regularly check the availability of the products on AliExpress and update your big cartel listing accordingly. And if products become unavailable or the price changes on AliExpress, make the necessary adjustments in your store. And please keep in mind that while this method allows you to sell products available on AliExpress, there are certain considerations to be aware of it, which is the shipping times from AliExpress can vary widely. So manage your customer expectations regarding delivery times and communicate clearly to your customers that the products are sourced from AliExpress, and you won't have as much control over the quality, packaging, and shipping process as you would with products from your own inventory. And remember to view or to review like the big cartel lists features and availability integration. They could like in the future add a big AliExpress as an app to integrate without doing all those boring steps manually by your own. They may add it so you can do it like automatically, just log in into your AliExpress account, and this integration could be connected automatically. So if you reach this point of this video, congratulations. You've successfully connected your AliExpress to Big Cartel in 2023. Of course, if you have any questions, you can always go to your dashboard and go to the bottom right corner here. Click on that option. From here, you'll be able to search for help on or search for answers on the Big Cartel page, or you can simply go and ask questions right away to the main chat of or live chat of Big Cartel supports. So if you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below, subscribe for our channel for more helpful stories like this one, and I will see you in the next video.